Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of soft, natural flushes of color on your cheeks, then today's review is definitely going to interest you. We're talking about the Clinique Soft-Pressed Powder Blusher in the shade New Clover. It promises a buildable, natural finish, and we're going to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's jump in. Clinique is known for creating makeup that's both gentle and effective, with a formula that's great for sensitive skin. This soft-pressed powder blusher is no exception. The product comes in a sleek compact, perfect for on-the-go application, and it features a soft powder texture that's supposed to glide smoothly onto your skin for a flawless finish. The New Clover shade is described as a fresh, vibrant pink that adds a soft, natural flush to the cheeks, which is ideal for creating that healthy, glowing look. The key thing about this blush is its buildable coverage. Whether you're looking for just a subtle hint of color or a more intense pop, you can easily adjust how much you apply to achieve your desired effect. And since it's a powder formula, you won't have to worry about it looking too heavy or cakey, which is something I really appreciate in a blush. I've been using this blush for a couple of weeks now, and here's how it performs. It's incredibly easy to blend, and I love how it feels on my skin. It's light, but still provides that natural, fresh look that doesn't feel overdone. I usually apply it over a light foundation or even bare skin, and it gives the perfect flush without settling into pores. It feels smooth, never chalky, and lasts a solid amount of time throughout the day without fading too much. Now let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the texture is smooth and blends easily. The buildable coverage is a huge win. You can create a subtle daytime look or go for something more dramatic for evening events. The shade New Clover is also perfect for those who love a cool-toned pink. It's vibrant yet soft enough to work with a variety of skin tones. However, there are a couple of minor things to keep in mind. The compact is a bit small, so you might find yourself running out of product a little quicker than you'd like, especially if you use it daily. Also, while the powder is soft, you'll need a good brush to get an even application. Otherwise, it can end up looking a bit patchy in certain areas. As far as value for money goes, I think this blush is priced reasonably for what it delivers. Clinique's formula is well regarded for being gentle on sensitive skin, and this blush is no exception. It doesn't break me out or irritate my skin, which is a huge plus for those with sensitive skin like me. Given its buildable nature and long-lasting performance, it's worth the investment if you're looking for a quality blush that isn't overly pigmented, but still gives a nice pop of color. In terms of comparisons, I'd say this blush sits nicely in the mid-range category. While there are cheaper options available from drugstore brands, this Clinique version offers a clean, dermatologist-tested formula and the convenience of buildable coverage, which makes it stand out. If you're looking for a more affordable option with similar performance, you might want to check out something like Maybelline's Fit Me blush, though it won't offer quite the same level of versatility in terms of coverage. The build quality is solid, and the packaging is compact and travel-friendly, though it might not feel as luxurious as higher-end blushes from brands like NARS. That said, it's still sturdy and doesn't feel cheap, so you're getting good quality for what you're paying. So who would I recommend this for? If you love a soft, natural flush of color and have sensitive skin, this is a great option. The buildable coverage gives you flexibility, and the formula is gentle enough for everyday wear. However, if you prefer something that's more intense and dramatic right off the bat, you might want to look elsewhere. Before I wrap up, if this review was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried this blush, let me know what you think in the comments. I love hearing your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.